Alrighty, well, a very big welcome back, everybody. Welcome back to the channel. I am very happy to be making videos again and not just working on the house. So, house went live the other day. We're finally done. It's on the market. We just pulled over for a second. We just got on the road, had to make a little stop for a bathroom break, but we're gonna hop back on the road here. We got about a 5.5 hour drive to Pigeon Forge from where we're camped out in Central Ohio. So we're heading there now, but yeah, come along with us. Happy to be posting videos again. This is so much better than working on the house. Ooh, going through a tunnel. Going through a tunnel. Oh, there's noise. That's a lot of noise.
Yeah, it's the rumble strip that you're obsessed with finding.
No, that's in the middle of the road telling you to slow down.
You just have a way of finding those.
Carly, look, there's the Cincinnati Reds. The Cincinnati Reds have lost more home games in that stadium than any other team.
You should probably fact check yourself before you post a claim like that on YouTube.
It's impossible for anybody to have lost more home games in their home stadium. Think about that for a second.
Have you looked at the...
Think about that for a second.
Looked at the Browns?
No, think about that for a second. It's that stadium.
Yeah, I know.
Cincinnati Browns have also lost the most home games in their stadium.
I was going to say, but you
it works for every team. You'll have to forgive Lauren. She just got the joke. The home team joke. Yeah, she just understood that it's physically impossible for any other team to lose more home games in that stadium.
To be fair, this is my first copy of the day. I normally had 3 by now, and it's
we're a little
1 o'clock.
We're a little behind. She just caught the joke.
Usually I catch them, not when I...
Look. Welcome to Kentucky. Welcome to Kentucky.
The reason I didn't catch it was I thought it was comparing to other teams that had lost it in their stadiums, not that they had the ability to lose more in that stadium.
I guess I'll say it's a joke from Eric and Nomadic Fanatics YouTube channel. He does it every single stadium he passes. That's where I got the joke.
Oh my God, he
but
does? He does it
every single stadium he passes.
I thought he was making fun of the Browns when they did, or the Reds when they did it.
No, he does it at every single stadium. We are, here it is, here's the Tennessee sign. Carly, Tennessee.
Woohoo!
We're only an hour and a half away from our campground, the KOA that we're staying at. Check it out, there is Tennessee. Are those people taking pictures by the sign?
Yes, they are.
It's kind of funny. There it is, we're in Tennessee now, and there's the Welcome Center. Carly, Tennessee. Okay, so it took a long time to find an actual view of the mountains. Everything was blocked by a bunch of trees, but check this out. I don't know if you can see that out there, but we're only about 30, 35 minutes from Pigeon Forge from the campground, but we are in the heart of the mountains right now. So it's been a very pretty drive, so it's nice. Check this out. There's nothing wrong with that. What's wrong with it?
It's just constant.
Franklin is still in my lap. It's been about an hour and a half. He seems very comfortable. So, wow, their roads around here, total garbage. But no, so we're about 15 miles away, and making a stop at a Buc-ees, which I guess if you're from Ohio and West Virginia area, it's kind of like Sheetz, but much, much bigger. Sheetz is kind of the same idea, I think, as Buc-ees, but
I like the restaurant concept Sheetz has, though.
yeah, Buc-ees.
I really like that. It was very nice.
Buc-ees has so much. I'm gonna go in here. I'll take the camera in here too. But Buc-ees is always big. We've been to a couple before, but it's gonna. Yeah, I love Buc-ees. Alrighty, so I decided that we didn't need gas. We had a half tank, but I always do a walk around at a gas station too. I want to make sure nothing's coming loose, no windows are opening. None of that stuff, but looks pretty good. But let's go hop in and check out Buc-ees over here. Like I said, we didn't actually need gas, but it was only $3.09 a gallon, so we had a half tank. I just topped off, not a big deal. I'm gonna go in and check out Buc-ees now, but this is cool. This place is wild. It's crazy what they got going on. And it smells incredible. Walking, you smell brisket and all sorts of good stuff. But I found this for Carly. She loves this kind of stuff. It's only $3. So we're gonna get that for her. And check this place out. Just in case you need a Buc-ees river tube. Not bad. They sell swimsuits too. Man, I tell you what, that place is just wild. It's crazy. But, all right, on the way. Gotta get to the campground. So, I got Carly a little surprise. So, I can confirm bathrooms are nice. And there's a lot of stalls that you never wait in the line. So, super nice. Let's get going. Carly is playing with her coloring kit. Is it looking good? So, we're heading out to the campground finally. All right, so we are just about to our campground now. Let's see if we can't find it. Ah, found it. KOA.
You know you live in an RV when your daughter gets excited when she sees the campgrounds.
Wow, it looks nice.
It's beautiful here. I wouldn't mind doing
There's
the
a
summer
lazy
here.
river, Carly. Look at the lazy river.
Oh, that is so cool.
Man, we gotta check that out. All right, let me go get checked in. All right, we got set up. This is a crazy tight campground though, holy crap. And you hear those cicadas? That is so loud. Check this out. Look at this. It's a very nice campground, but it's very tight, almost tripped. So we got all parked here. Our sewer connection stuff barely reached again. We are actually heading over to a rental house that Grandma and Grandpa and Nana rented. They're here this weekend too. So we're gonna hop over there and sit in the hot tub and have dinner and enjoy that.